करना क्या है आपको?
Become an entrepreneur now.
Okay, somebody is saying, one of your classmates, so different people are with different mindset. So some are saying they would like to become an entrepreneur. So if this is your long-term goal to become an entrepreneur, if this is your aim in life, if this is what you plan to do, if this is your vision, if this is your dream, then what are the skills required for you to reach that job, to reach that position? वहाँ पर पहुँचने के लिए क्या क्या करोगे तुम, ये तुम्हारा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है. अब आप प्लीज एनलिस्ट द विद बुलेटेड पॉइंट्स कि टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर व्हाट आर द स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड. दैट automatically will become your short term goal or your current career goals. Some of you may want to join as a multinational company as a manager, as a CEO, whatever. तो बाकी लोग कुछ बोलेंगे तब तो जानेंगे ना कि उनका ड्रीम क्या है, विजन क्या है. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज स्पीक अप. दिस इज सपोज टू बी इंटरैक्टिव क्लास. आरुषि, टेल मी व्हाट इज योर एम इन लाइफ. आपको क्या करना है? व्हाट डू यू इंटेंड टू डू?
My long term goal is I want to be a banker.
You would like to become... Okay, then if your aim is to become a banker, what is your current career goals? वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए क्या क्या करेंगे आप?
My short term and my current career goal is to leadership and accounting. I prepared
leadership to enhance my leadership skills. For that, what are you doing? कैसे enhance होगा ये leadership skills?
I want to be a practice.
Prepare this question. What are your current career goals? Whatever your dream is, whatever your mission is, whatever your vision is, whatever you intend to do in the long term. First, define your long.
Sorry, ma'am, आवाज आ रही है.
मैंने कहा कि whatever, पहले तो डिफाइन कर लीजिए कि आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या करना क्या है. उसके बाद आप डिसाइड कीजिए कि वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए what are the steps you will be taking. This will become your current career goals.
मैम आपकी वॉइस कट रही है बहुत.
I don't know, some network issue. ठीक है, अभी आवाज आ रही है?
मैम ये हो सकता है. My long term goal is to earn 10 million.
Yes, मैम बोले. मैम क्या बता रही थी?
My long term goal is to
earn 10 million $10 हो सकता है.
इस तरह का सवाल जवाब करोगे तो फिर वो क्या सोच सकता है. अब कमा तो कैसे भी सकते हो.
कैसे कोई लोग कमा लेगा.
मैम डिफरेंट स्टार्टअप करेंगे एक साथ.
My long term goal is to become a successful person and to become sound financially. Sound financially rich person बनने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. वो क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो बताइए, क्या करिएगा.
रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस, इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस और क्रिप्टो करेंसी बिजनेस. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस.
You define that. उसको आप लिख के तैयार कर लीजिए. This is my long term goal. हाँ, पहले आप डिफाइन कीजिए. You would like to enter export import business. ठीक है, रियल एस्टेट. ओके, फॉर दैट व्हाट आर द स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड. वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए बहुत दूर, अभी मुकाम बहुत दूर है. वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए क्या क्या स्टेप्स आप लीजिएगा. दैट विल बी योर शॉर्ट टर्म गोल. फर्स्ट दिस, देन दिस, देन दिस, देन दिस. राइट. बुलेटेड पॉइंट्स में आप लिख लीजिए कम से कम 5-6 शॉर्ट करियर गोल्स. सबसे पहले आप स्टार्ट कीजिए अभी से 1 साल के लिए. करियर गोल्स क्या है आपका? I'll tell you what, क्या होना चाहिए. You as a student, एक स्टूडेंट को क्या करना चाहिए? That is a far cry. वो तो होना ही होना. That is a must. सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Let us start with very small. Attend all my classes. Be receptive. Be participative. Be interactive. Spend time in the library. Spend time in the lab. To be in a continuous learning mode.
Reading books.
Yeah, short term goal can be everything which is required for you to improve. That will help you to become successful. इसको बिल्कुल शॉर्ट और कंसाइज फॉर्म में आप लिख लीजिए, एक पैराग्राफ बना लीजिए, ठीक है? आप क्या क्या करेंगे आप बताइए हमको, टेल मी. Improve my technical skills, my social skills, my leadership skills. Now if I say how will you improve your social skills? By improving my interpersonal relationship.
Spend time with others.
Interpersonal, it means connecting with people, working in a group. And if I ask you what are the skills required for leadership? This is from your course. Leadership skills.
Communication.
How can you become a good leader? What is the most important point?
A good motivator.
A good motivator, yes. A good listener.
Coordinator.
Somebody who can listen.
Coordinator.
Somebody who can coordinate,
A
listen.
good speaker.
A good speaker, communication skill is always there.
We must have confidence.
Person who can connect, person who can understand,
Understand.
person who has empathy, sympathy for others, who understand the value of each member in the group. So you're going to enhance your leadership skills, your communication skills, your social skills. I'm talking about your interpersonal communication. And plus your SWOT. You're going to work on your drawbacks. ये भी बहुत बड़ा एक करेंट करियर गोल्स है. किस चीज़ में कमी है आपकी, सब्जेक्ट वाइज ऑल्सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. टू वर्क ऑन योर शॉर्ट कमिंग्स. किस किस चीज़ में कमी है उसको ठीक करना है. जो चीज़ ठीक है वो तो ठीक है ही है, बट देयर माइट बी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जिसमें आपका ड्रॉबैक्स है, लाइक योर ड्रॉबैक्स इन एनी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट विच नीड्स मोर टाइम. Right? So improve on my technical skills, improve my work on my drawbacks and shortcomings, and do all this. And of course set up SMART goals. Setting up SMART goals also is a current career goal. आपने कभी गोल सेट किया आपने लिए कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
किया है आपने? Tell me what goal did you set up? And were you successful in that? And did you follow that?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what was that? And students, please be interactive in this class. I think it is me who is doing all the talking. It should be the other way around. You should be talking more.
I want to be a successful investor in crypto market or share market, and I know that crypto world is famous. Not initially, but in future, because online currency and digital marketing take a critical role in crypto market. And I want to raise money through crypto. I want to open such a new crypto with the name of me or my company, such like Bitcoin. I want to issue crypto and raise fund, and I want to be first successful investor, and then after businessman or an entrepreneur, and develop our mindset. And my main motive is to development of India.
Okay. So you're hinting your objective is overall for the development of India. Yeah, you have a good objective and you have a good career goal. So that's good. And yes, Piyush Kumar.
Ma'am, I have a question which is from the out of the box, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I know that there is a great role of pronunciation in English language.
Yes.
And we also know that pronunciation change according to place and state to state.
It does.
And for example, when we take Kerala, then they used to read mobile as a mobile, and where we Bihari call mobile. Then how can we say that they are right or we are right? And what should be anything which should we follow everyone? And what should be
No, you are not going to follow anyone. You are not going to change your style or accent to make yourself understood. It is important. But then why will you change your style? Accent is either right or wrong. But there can be English accent, or there can be American accent, or there can be Indian accent. What we are talking about today is a neutral accent. The English which we are speaking can be understood by an Australian, can be understood by the American, can be understood all over the world. एक Indian भी समझ सकता है कि what we are talking about, and whether you are from Kerala or from north, east, south, west, whatever. So your accent should be neutral. English.
Ma'am, is it possible that when we go to Kerala, then they will say that we are wrong and we are not pronouncing properly? They can say.
They will not say. Everybody, yeah, each state has its own style of that. This is called mother tongue. So it happens. Like my daughter was studying in Pondicherry for 3 years when she was doing a mass communication, and after I think a couple of years, after 2 years, I told her that there is something called getting that South accent, जो कि हो जाता है वहाँ रहते रहते हो जाता है, but she tried to get off it because she knew that it was wrong. So nothing is right and nothing is wrong. Today everybody has to speak neutral accent so that everybody can understand. So they cannot say that they are right and you are wrong. So why come into a conversation or an argument over nothing? So let them speak the way they want to. You speak the way you're speaking and the way you know it is right. For example, the South Indians, they come up with an H. The H sound is like a H sound. We say the HR, but they will say the HR. I will say she asked me, but they will say she asked me. Now you tell me what is right, what is wrong. Yeah.
Ask me.
It was informed. They will say informed, but we say it was informed. Now आप बताओ कि informed सही है या informed सही है. This is up to you. There is no argument about this. So the HR told you or the HR told you. Will you say honest or will you say honest? Yeah. So there is no argument about who is right and who is wrong. Let them go their way. They know it's their way, their style. They feel they have spoken this the rest of their lives. So let them be happy with it. So why should we take?
Okay.
Why should you go to South and start saying HR and inform it and ask it? Don't do that. Yeah. So mother tongue to hota hai. You can make out if somebody who is speaking English, I come to know whether the mother tongue is Bhojpuri or not, because something comes out. इसको कहते हैं mother tongue influence. वो आपके influence आ जाता है.
And then on what basis the interview will decide on our communication skill?
Your communication skill, for example, the big basket which came recently, it was the GD round.
How will they decide?
How will you decide what?
How will they decide my communication skill?
Okay.
On what basis?
On what basis? This is a good question. Like they will interview 1-to-1, right? And in it they will be asking your PI, personal information, like whatever I'm telling you, the questions that I'm giving you, your name, your hometown, your hobbies, your skills, your core subjects.
Checking grammatical
Yes.
pronunciation.
They are not bothered about. But if you have good pronunciation, what's wrong with it? What's wrong? And why shouldn't you learn the right way of speaking? And you will speak only. The teacher will tell you only after she or he hears you. So it is the right time to start speaking. And then after the personal round, if you clear the PI round, the personal interview round, then they will select you for a GD round, wherein you will be put in a group of 10 to 12 students, and they will be giving you a topic to discuss for the GD. And students who are speaking, they are getting away, they are selected. If you keep quiet, if you do not respond, then you will not be selected. They will be selecting you on the basis of a personal interview and a group discussion.
So they will be focusing on information or technical word.
Your fluency, your communication, your thought process, your cognitive skills, means your thinking, the way you are thinking, because suddenly you will not be prepared for the topic you cannot come prepared, but you can be prepared in a way. You should know the technical know-how of how to enter into a debate or how to enter a GD. So there are some rules and regulations. They will be checking you if you are aware of this rule or not. Do not fight. Do not talk hurriedly or in a haste. Do not allow people to speak Do not be take the center stage. Do not hog all the limelight. Let others speak also. But then it so happens in GDs, people who are speaking, they are speaking. इसमें रूल क्या है? थोड़ा सा भी कोई अगर सॉफ्ट हो जाता है, एक पॉज आता है, the other person takes over, because you will be in a group of 10 to 12 students, and you all sit in a row, and then they will be sitting quite far from you, but they will be observing what you are saying. They will be observing your body language. They will be observing your communication skills, your pronunciation. And of course, grammatical errors तो उतना लोग ध्यान देते नहीं हैं जितना कि आपकी fluency ध्यान देते हैं वो लोग. So how many people are there who can speak complete? I'm talking about students. How many students are there who can boast that हम कभी English बिना error के नहीं बोलते हैं? How many of you can boast that they are very fluent in English? You can be very fluent, of course, but you cannot. But you will be checked for your vibrancy, how smart you are in speaking. आपका body language क्या है? So all this will help you. Some students got selected for Big Basket. People who were always vibrant in class, people who were always actively participating in presentations and speeches, they got selected. So one thing is there, you have to enter into an interactive sessions, and they are also checking your interpersonal skills, how you are connecting to each other. Like in the last class, I gave you a topic on, I think some students were there.
Yes, ma'am.
I gave them a topic. So I selected 2 persons.
Discipline.
Yeah, discipline and Shweta Singhania, and 1 person more was selected.
Smile करें.
Shamail. But Shamail also, he is not there. Shamail in the class. Shamail also has got to speak loudly. He is very soft. अगर आप बहुत soft हैं, then you will not attract attention. You have to be vibrant. You have to show your smartness in speaking. Do not be aggressive, but yes, be assertive. Aggressive होने के लिए कोई नहीं कर रहा है कि आप लड़ बैठे हैं या बहस करने लगे किसी से. You may differ, but there are ways to say, I beg to be differ. But then do not fight, do not enter an argument, or do not be aggressive. But whatever point that you are speaking, you should be assertive. Right? तो क्लास में शुरू कर देना चाहिए आपको GDs and debates. Come up with topics. Once a week I'll hold this class for GDs and debates so that you are prepared for your future. So prepare on your current goals and your long-term goal. This is it. Aubrey questions which I'm going to share it again with you.
9 questions.
Yeah. There are loads of questions which you need to prepare. This is for your PI actually. Number 10. How would you describe yourself? How would you describe yourself? I have this question in BBAQ 6M also. मैंने दिया है. How would your teacher describe you? How would your friend describe you? How would your parents describe you?
Yes.
ठीक है? Describe yourself in a few sentences. It means you are talking about your strength, not weakness.
Only.
How would you describe yourself? It means here we are talking about what are your strengths, what are you good at,
By the nature,
what skills are you confident about, what things you can do better than others, what are your internal skills and what are your external skills, what skills you have achieved and mastered, and what are your internal skills. You must have heard about SWOT analysis.
Yes, sir.
Deadline skills includes
Internal, like I'm a happy-go-lucky person. मैं खुश मिजाज रहता हूँ.
I am cool cool and calm.
Yes, I keep calm and I am calm and collected.
I'm peace.
I keep calm and collected in adverse situations. मतलब किसी भी सिचुएशन में आप कूल रहते हैं. You have loads of patience. आप धैर्य बहुत ज़्यादा आप में है. Yeah, my patience can surprise you. मतलब मुझ में इतना पेशेंस है कि लोगों को हम सरप्राइज कर देते हैं. These are your internal skills. And external skills क्या हुआ? What are the subjects you are good at? What are the activities you are good at? What things you can do better than the others? What are your achievements? What you have learned and mastered? Right? So I'll give you some questions, some sentences on these, and you can very well use them. Like I do things to the best of my ability. मतलब मैं जो कुछ भी करता हूँ उसमें 100% दे देता हूँ अपना. I do things to the best of my ability. I'll write down some sentences and you can take it all. I am a keen learner. You are describing yourself. तो अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करना है. Use some good words, some personality words which can be impressive. I am persistent. मतलब किसी चीज़ में आप लगे रहते हैं. I do not leave half done work. I hate to do things by halves. I would like to achieve success. I would like to attain success through hard work. कोई भी one liner आप ले लीजिए अपने बारे में. One line which can describe you. Or a few lines which can describe you. Not that difficult. अभी अगर हम पूछ रहे हैं तो how can you describe yourself in one line?
I'm good learner.
I'm a
Good learner.
you're a good learner.
Yes.
Okay, I'm always in the learning. I'm a keen learner. मतलब you are an interested learner.
I believe in learning and consistency.
Okay, I believe in learning and consistency. Very good. Yes.
I'm always keep and calm.
You always keep.
And calm.
Okay. Something else?
I am very sad when I lose opportunity.
Okay.
Records.
I take up challenges. I never lose on any opportunity. It means you're always alert and aware. Yes. नहीं कुछ बनाया है तो बना लीजिए.
I give 100%.
Hmm?
I give 100%.
Okay. I do things with the best of. Okay, let me write down.
I do things best of my ability.
हाँ.
Body is not.
मैं okay.
Now,
ये क्यों शेयर नहीं हो रहा आपका?
मैम क्योंकि मैम ये प्रोजेक्टर
I do things to the best of my ability. I do things. मैं जो भी कुछ करता हूँ उसमें 100% लगा देता हूँ. It means when you are partying hard. When you are studying, you are really studying. So I study hard and I party harder. It means you are adaptable. You are dexterous. Dexterous means hardworking. You are amiable. Amiable मतलब friendly. I am known for my punctuality. I am trustworthy. आप मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं. I am trustworthy.
इंटेलेक्चुअल
ओके. आप बोलेंगे अपने बारे में I am an intellectual मतलब कि ताकि बच्चा कम से कम बोलना शुरू करे. And when you are saying you are pursuing BBA from Siemens College Patna, Aryabhat Knowledge University, Siemens College Patna, and if they ask you, okay, tell us about your earlier education, तो आप बता सकते हैं कि you talking about your school life, आपका स्कूल का achievements, like you are very much into sports. I have आपका जो भी achievement रहा है, this is only to check your communication. Right. So prepare on these lines. And the last question, नॉट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आज क्वेश्चंस आपको लिखवा देते हैं ताकि नेक्स्ट क्लास विल कम प्रिपेयर्ड. Question number 11 is introduce your family or tell me something about your family. About your family. ये भी एक टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन है. कितना आंसर करना है, कितना छुपाना है, कितना रखना है बता देंगे. लाइक टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर फैमिली. द पर्सन वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाट इज योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, और द क्वेश्चन कैन बी डिस्कस योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. You can come up with, I come from a joint family or a nuclear family. My family is supportive. My family is close-knit. It means everybody is very close to each other. Then you can talk about what is the occupation of your father, your parents' occupation, how many siblings are you there. Like, I come from a joint family, or I come from a nuclear family. I come from a nuclear middle-class family. And there are 5 members in my family. We are 3 siblings. We are 2 siblings. And in a nutshell, I can say that my family has always been very supportive. Full stop. That's it. Do not add more. Do not. It should be very concise.
Concise and correct.
Yeah. You can elaborate. Like my family is down to earth. Some adjectives to describe your family. कुछ adjective डाल दीजिएगा तो आपका कंटेंट रिच होना चाहिए. छोटा होना चाहिए, रिच. कंडेंस कर लीजिए उसको. मेन पॉइंट्स हाईलाइट कर लीजिए. राइट. You're coming from a modern family, वो भी डाल दीजिए. Modern family, moderate family. Your family can be a blend of traditional and modern values. मतलब ना तो ट्रेडिशनल है ना तो मॉडर्न है. इट इज़ अ ब्लेंड, दोनों का मिक्सचर, ब्लेंड ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल एंड या मॉडरेट फैमिली. Do not add more. Do not describe into details. Like my father's name is, my mother's name is. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. We are not interested in what is your father's name or your mother's name. But yes, we are interested to know about his occupation or your mother's occupation.
Yes.
And the 12th question is लिख लीजिए because बहुत लंबा खींच रहा है ये इंट्रोडक्शन का आपका. Discuss your hometown.
ना hometown तो हो गया.
वो होता है ना, आई एम फ्रॉम पटना. अब डिटेल में बताना है ना. दे विल आस्क डेफिनेटली. टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर होम टाउन और डिस्कस योर होम टाउन. ये 12 क्वेश्चंस विल टेक यू थ्रू द PI राउंड. प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा इसको. And today I was supposed to give you the syllabus. Okay, in the next class definitely I will do that. I was prepared for that.
You already said previous class.
Yes, what to do? I see. I will show you. See, this is your syllabus. If you can see, you all. ये syllabus आपका है. Syllabus for English exam: reading comprehension, close test, fill in the blanks, word usage, error detection, sentence rearrangement, idioms and phrases, sentence improvement. Apart from this,
This is also included.
yeah,
What is closed test?
close test.
Yes.
They will be giving all sentence arrangements रहता है उसमें. कौन सा first, कौन सा last. Complete parts of speech, fillers, inference, collocations, phrasal verbs, vocabulary word list. So everything is included. So this is a very exhaustive syllabus for bank PO, CAT-MAT or whatever. So we'll discuss this and then we'll start off with it. But first thing first, it was सबसे पहले आपका PI. Okay guys, that's it for today and come prepared in the next class.